All right, we're going to talk about subtracting. So subtracting, the thing you have to know about subtraction is just adding negative numbers. That's the same thing. So if I have something like 12 minus 25, I can actually rewrite this as 12 plus negative 25. It's the same exact thing. And we've already learned how to do this right here. So in this case, we would look at our two numbers. We say absolute value of negative 25 is 25. Absolute value of 12 is 12. From there, we would say do the bigger minus the smaller, which would give us 13. Then we want to go back and say, which one of these had the bigger absolute value? Well, the bigger absolute value was the negative value, so our final answer will be negative 13. So really the only thing different there is we took what was given in black and we rewrote it as in red. What's in red is what we've already been working on. We worked that on a few weeks ago. For this one, we have negative 19 minus 8. I'm going to rewrite it as negative 19 plus negative 8. So once again, subtraction is just adding negatives. So now we have two values that are both negative. So our final answer is going to be negative. And we're just going to add 19 plus 8, which would be 27. And that is your final answer. So the only real difference on these is we are rewriting negative 19 minus 8 as negative 19 plus negative 8. Then we're doing what we did before. Now, for this one's a little bit different, and the reason being is because we have two negative signs in a row. Well, when you have two negative signs in a row, I want you to think of them as these two minus signs here. One's technically subtraction, one is a negative. They're going to turn into a plus sign. So 28 minus a negative 7 is actually 28 plus 7. So your two negatives, two minus signs, your minus and your negative, they turn into your plus symbol. And then we just simply add these, 28 plus 7. And that would be 15, 35 is your final answer. It's crazy. Final one. This looks like a challenge. It's actually pretty easy. So we're going to rewrite it as negative 31. We know when we have two of these symbols in a row, so a minus and a negative, which technically are kind of the same thing, we're going to change that into a plus symbol. So this is really just negative 31 plus 100. So what we would do here, we would say which one of these has the bigger absolute value. The 100 does, so our answer is going to be positive. And then we will just do 100 minus 31. And then this will become a 10. We'll borrow here, put that a 9. This would be 9. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. So our answer is 1 less than 70. And it's positive because the bigger absolute value was positive. That is all you do with subtraction. You're just changing them into addition problems. And then it's what we worked on before. So if you got questions, let me know. Well, see you later. Bye.